Hello guys and welcome to Skywonder. So in this new devlog video I wanted to present you the new turret system because it's refactoring on how we are making turrets in Skywonder. So the new system is much more powerful. You will be able to create a wide variety of turret design. So I will present you that. So you start by doing really using standard rotating block, and you start by building your turret like that. So right now there's nothing to do with the turret, it's just a rotator on top of other rotator. So to transform that into a turret, actually what you have to do is to use this new brick, which is the turret computer unit. Okay, so you will activate your turret with this brick, but before we do that, we will just have to assign the two axes. Okay, so this is the horizontal axis, so it will link to the horizontal rotator, and this is the vertical one. Okay, so that's really easy. This is the only thing you have to do, and once you have done that, you can just press E on the turret control unit, and then you will control the turret like that. Okay, so that was really easy, and the really good thing with this mechanism is that you can mix really rotator exactly the way you want. So for example, there is a new brick rotator just there. Okay, so I already have it. So you can use this one, and you can mix a really big and small one, and I will be adding more rotator block in the future, so it will be really easy to expand with this mechanism. So now let's say we want to, for example, put a camera on it. So we can put the camera, but now if we want to activate them at the same time, okay, because we can activate the camera by just pressing E on it. So to activate them both at the same time, we need to do a little bit of logic. So that's why I introduced a new set of gates, actually logical gates, that are really exactly like the standard quad command or dual command, except that this time it is not working with simple input, but with enter command. Okay, so enter command is typically you press a different button and then you will enter the system, and to exit you have to press the same button. So for me it's button E. So it's a bit different than standard command. So typically the seat or spaceship core is enter command. So with that block you will be able to activate several commands at the same time. So for example, we can use that joystick that will activate our several system, and we can link, for example, like that, and then we link the turret and the camera at the same time. And now when we activate this command, we are inside the turret, okay, and we can control the turret like that. So that's really easy. Okay, now let's finish this turret by actually putting some weapon on it. So we can put a beam. So sorry, this turret is looking really crappy, but obviously just for the demonstration. So this is just a beam block that will do some damage to our ship, but that's fine. So now let's say we want to activate that turret by pressing the mouse button. So there is a new block, this block, which is exactly like a hotkey, but it will activate with the left mouse button. So we can activate this block and link it to our beam, and now when we activate this block we can just click and then it will fire the turret. Now obviously we want to activate everything at once, so that's very easy. We add 4 commands, so we will link one of the command to this activator. Okay, so now when we activate all the system at once, I have a fully workable turret basically that can activate all the system. Okay, so that is really easy. You can use also hotkey button, so like this hotkey for example, and they will work exactly the same. So you put the hotkey, you link it to your system, and then you also link it like that, and now I am pressing button my hotkey number 2 to activate the turret system like that. Okay, so that's really nice. So the hotkey system changed a little bit. So before you were able to activate all the hotkey while piloting your spaceship. So now it's a bit different. So if you want to activate them while piloting your spaceship, you can just activate them separately or do a link with a command that is activating your spaceship. But basically the new system is much more powerful, and especially it's going to be really nice for multi-crew ship. So you can have, for example, one pilot and one other people that just fire all the different system, either with turret or whatnot. So that's really the new design for this kind of block. So yep. So the old turret system is completely gone. So now this is the official way of doing turret basically. And so the new bricks is really that turret computer. This rotating brick so changed. So now it's just a standard rotator. And also these two quad command and dual command for enter system have been added to the game. So that's it. So I've done also some change on the multi-threading, so the way tasks are done in the system. So now it should be a bit faster, but if you have some issue with that, please report them to me. And other than that, I'm still working a lot actually to build some station and spaceship for the trailer. So it takes me a lot of time, but hopefully it will be over very soon, and so we'll be able to do a Steam Green Light in the February. So thank you guys, and see you in the next video.